Look at this one. If it forms an AP, find the common difference and 3 more terms. You have the question like this one. Our main 4th question in that one, the 12th one you have. So here the series is what? Root 2. I am going to simplify this one in this way. Okay, I am writing first once again as it is root of 18 and root of 32. And next 3 terms in the case if it forms an AP. If it forms an AP in the sense here, you are finding the common difference between the terms, that is conjugative terms. If it is equal, then in that case you are finding AP and also the next 3 terms. Otherwise you are not continuing with that one. So the first 3 terms, so difference is what? Root 8 minus root 2. You can write here A2 minus A1. So this is equal to root 8 minus 2. Children, look at this one. Root 8 minus root 2 is not equal to root 6. Remember this one. You are not going to subtract that way. Then how to solve that one? I'll show you. Root 8 can be written as 4 into 2 minus root 2. Very simple. See here, root 4 into 2. That is, see here I'll explain. Root AB can be written as root A into root B. Is it? So in the same way, when root 4 into root 2 is written this way, we are going to get root 4 as 2 into root 2. So you are getting here 2 root 2 minus root 2. So what happens here? Root 2 is common in between. Okay. Then you have what happens to otherwise 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1 root 2. This is the way, or very simple you have 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2. Okay. 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 is 1 root 2. This is a very simple calculation. So you have got the difference as root 2. Then we have next one. The second difference is root 18 minus root 8. Root 18 can be written as, okay, very simple, 9 2s are. Already you know root 8 can be written as 2 root 2, which I explained here. So root 18, this way I have written, this is same as 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. Very simple. We are going to get 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is 1 root 2 or root 2. Okay. So what happens here? The difference between the first 2 terms we have got as root 2 and these 2 also root 2. Next, what is remaining here? Root 32, that is A. This is A2 minus A1. Then this is A3 minus A2. Next we have A4 minus A3. Okay, this is A1, A2, very simple, A3, and this is A4. We are referring. And now look at this one. For this one, what are you going to find here? For that one, root of 32 minus root of 18. Very simple. So this is D is equal to root 32. Okay. Root 32 can be written as, you know, 16 2s are 32. 16 can be written as root 16. 4 root 2. So that I have written here right this way. Already we have done root 18 as 3 root 2, which is equal to here 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2 is 1 root 2. This is what we have, is it? So root 32 and the difference between root 18 is root 2. So to get the next term, that is you have to get, so this is a, okay, you can write here. So the given series is an AP. You are going to write. Next one, A5th. A5th can be written as A4th plus the common difference. A4 is what? Root 32 plus difference is root 2. See here we cannot add this way. So what I am doing here, I am writing this 32 as, look at this one, 4 root 2. Already we have done this one as 4 root 2 plus root 2, which is equal to 5 root 2. Very simple. Then we have got this one as 5 root 2, or you can write this one as 5 root 2 can be written as, look at this one. If you take this one outside, what happens? 5 becomes 25. When it goes, it get multiplied, is it? So when 25 comes out, it becomes 5. Am I right? 25 into 2, that is equal to root of 50. You are going to write 5 root 2 or root 50. Yes. In the same way, A6th is equal to A5th plus D. What is A5th? I am taking this one, 5 root 2 plus root 2, that is equal to 6 root 2. 6 root 2 is same as, yes, 6 6 are 36 into 2, which is equal to 72. So next term is 72. Yes. Then we have A7, which is equal to A6th plus the difference. What is A6th? 6 root 2. What is the difference? Root 2. Very children, look at this one, very simple. This is 7, nothing means it is 1. 7 root 2. Okay, we are writing in the given format. So 7 root 2 means root 7, when it goes inside the root, it becomes 49 into 2. 49 2s are 58. So this is next one is root 58. These are the three next terms.